Hello children, how are you doing? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so waiting for the new topic. What is the topic? Guess it. Right बच्चों, today's topic is animals shelter. जिस तरह हमारा घर हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है, ऐसे ही एनिमल्स के लिए शेल्टर होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. So let's have a look on inside animals and their habitats and birds and their nests. So आज हम इन्हीं के बारे में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. Right? Ready? Okay, let's start with warm up. You have seen many birds and animals around your house. Write the names of such birds and animals that and the place where they live in. So birds और animals के बारे में लिखिए और उनके place भी लिखिएगा कहाँ वो रहते हैं. Like human beings, animals and birds also need to protect themselves from heat, rain, cold and animals. So they make shelters to protect themselves. Animal shelter are known as animals habitats and birds shelters are known as nest. So जैसे बच्चों हमें घर चाहिए, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया, एनिमल्स और बर्ड्स को भी घर चाहिए रहने के लिए. गर्मी, सर्दी, बारिश और सबसे बड़ी बात हमारे शत्रुओं से बचने के लिए घर चाहिए. सो ऐसे ही जो एनिमल्स का घर उनके लिए एनिमल्स हैबिटेट कहलाता है और बर्ड्स का घर उनके लिए नेट्स कहलाता है. Animals and their habitats, the surrounding area of the or the environment in which animals live is called animals habitat. The living conditions in each of these habitats are very different. They may live on land, in water, high mountains and both on land and water or near the seashore. Yes बच्चों, सबके लिए अलग अलग होती है. कोई धरती पर रहता है, कोई पानी में रहता है, कोई ऊंचे पहाड़ों पर रहता है, कोई ठंड में रहता है, कोई समुद्र के किनारे पर रहता है. Right? Hence animals survive in their surroundings by developing certain characteristics. This is called adaptation. Animals living on land. Animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. They live in different types of shelters. In rock caves, lions, bears, tigers and foxes live in rock caves, जैसा कि आप पिक्चर में देख पा रहे हैं. The caves in which lions and bears live are called dens. In open or under the shade of trees, deer and elephants live in the open or under the shade of trees. On trees, some animals like monkeys, squirrels, baboons and leopards live on tree tops and they are known as arboreal animals. Monkey have long arms and legs and a tail to swing from branch to branch. आपने कूदते हुए देखा है? अपनी पूंछ से लटका के उसको बांध के जब वो एक टहनी से दूसरे टहनी पर कूदता है. Squirrels have strong limbs and sharp claws to climb trees. आपने देखा ना, कभी गिरती नहीं है स्क्विरल्स, जल्दी से एक पेड़ से दूसरे पेड़ पर चढ़ जाती है. The sloth is an arboreal mammal and it spends most of its life hanging upside down from the branches of trees. Now we have under the ground. Some animals live under the ground. Groundhogs, rabbits and mongooses live in burrows and earthworms burrow into the soil and snakes live in the holes in the ground called pits. Ants make long tunnels under the ground on mounds or anthills. आपने कभी anthill देखी? Okay. These have special rooms to store food and soft-bodied creatures like snails and tortoises protect themselves with hard shells that they carry on their backs. Mice live in underground tunnels. They escape from their enemies by going in and out of these burrows. जब शत्रु चला जाता है बाहर आ जाते हैं, जब नहीं तो अंदर चले जाते हैं. ऐसे स्नेक भी ऐसे ही करते हैं और एंड्स भी ऐसे ही करते हैं. In desert, animals like camels and hedgehogs are found in the deserts and camels can live without food and water for 3 to 4 days. Most desert land animals are nocturnal and that is they come out that night to feed and they burrow into the sand or hide in rocky areas. They drink dew in the morning and hide in their shelter away from the heat during the day. The kangaroo rat, a desert animal found in North America, can survive without water throughout its life, whereas a camel can gulp down about 30 gallons of water in 10 minutes. 30, my goodness. Okay, now in a very cold regions, okay, so the polar bear, seal and Arctic fox are some animals that live in very cold regions. They make den in the snow. They sleep through the cold winter months, and this long winter sleep is called hibernation. We build shelter for domestic animals. We keep sheep and goats in farms. We build sheds for cows and buffaloes. We make stable for horses, and dogs and cats live with us as pets. So इन सब के लिए इंसान बनाता है घर, right? Know how? In polar bears were adopted, if polar bears were adopted or to living in a desert, would it still have thick fur? What color would the animals have to be? Animals living in water now, animals like fish, whales, dolphins, seals and walruses will be in water. They are called aquatic animals. Fish can swim well in water and breathe in oxygen through their gills. Some live in corals, some between underwater plants and other under rocky areas. Water birds make rough, crude nest with twigs near water, and they have waterproof feathers to protect their body. Yes, इनके जो feather होते हैं वो waterproof होते हैं, तो इनकी bodies को harm नहीं होता. Dolphin and whales do not have gills. They come to the surface to breathe. अच्छा, डॉल्फिन और वेल्स इनको सांस लेने के लिए बाहर सरफेस पे आना पड़ता है, इनके गिल्स नहीं होते हैं बच्चों. एनिमल्स लिविंग ऑन लैंड एंड वाटर, तो दोनों जगह पे रह सकते हैं, पानी में भी और धरती पर भी. एनिमल्स दैट आर अडेप्टेड टू लिव ऑन बोथ लैंड एंड वाटर आर कॉल्ड एम्फीबियंस. फ्रॉग्स, टोड्स एंड न्यूट्स आर एम्फीबियंस. दे ब्रीथ through their lungs and when in water and through their skin when they are on land. तो अगर पानी में होंगे तो lungs से सांस लेंगे और अगर धरती पर होंगे तो skin से सांस लेंगे. Some animals like crocodiles and alligators are large reptiles. They breathe through their nostrils, so they keep their heads above the water while swimming, ताकि वो सांस ले सके, क्योंकि नाक nostrils से सांस लेते हैं जैसे हम लेते हैं. They lay their eggs in a hole on the land or in the sand near the seashore. So अंडे को ये अपने किसी होल में धरती पर या फिर समुद्र के किनारे पर रेत के पास, ठीक है, समुद्र रेत में रखते हैं. Animals living on the seashore. The seashore is the home of a variety of creatures which can adapt to the constant change from wet to dry as the tide rolls in and out. Burrowing creatures such as crabs, river clams and sea cucumber and sea worms can be seen on the sea beach. At low tide, one can see thousands of crabs coming out of their holes and appearing above the sand. जब आप बीच पे जाएंगे तो आपको बहुत सारे देखने को मिलेंगे. Animals living near us. There are also some animals who live in our homes or around us. They too have their own habitat. Lizards live on walls so that they can eat insects and flock around lights. Mice and scorpions live in holes. Spiders live in areas in our house that are not disturbed, such as at the back of cupboards. They make webs or to trap their prey. ये सब तो आपको घर पे ही देखने को मिल जाएंगे, है ना. अदर पर्पसेस ऑफ स्पाइडर्स वेब. आप एक से वेब तो आपने एक तो पर्पस आपने ये देखा कि वो अपने शिकार को पकड़ने के लिए जाल बनाते हैं. अब और क्या पर्पसेस हैं. स्पाइडर्स मेक वेब्स टू ट्रैप इट्स प्रे, बट पीपल हैव फाउंड मैनी यूजेस ऑफ द स्पाइडर्स वेब. क्या क्या यूजेस हैं आइए जानते हैं. ट्राइबल्स इन सम साउथ पैसिफिक आइलैंड यूजेस gossamer, silk or threads of the web to make fishing baits and nets. In the Solomon Islands, spider webs are collected by winding them around sticks to make large sticky balls which are suspended just above the water to lure needle fish to jump out and get entangled in the ball. In Southeast Asia, people use them to make nests, and spider webs have been used as a bandage to stop blood flow and also used to make bird snares. If we could manufacture spider Silk, it would have a million uses from parachutes, bulletproof vest, lightweight clothing, seat belts, strong ropes as stores on operations, artificial tendons and ligaments. So सोचिए कि जिस स्पाइडर के जाल को हम तो चुटकियों में साफ कर देते हैं वो कितना यूज़फुल है, कितने लोग उसका कितना यूज़ करते हैं. Now how have you ever seen animals from different habitats at one place? Where? Birds and their nests. Now we will talk about birds और उनके जो घोंसले हैं उनके बारे में बात करते हैं. Birds have feathers, beaks and wings that help them to fly. They have strong muscles and hollow bones which make them fly easily. Just as we need a home to live in, birds also need nests to lay their eggs. Different kinds of birds build different kinds of nests. Now let's read about birds and their nests. Okay, birds have feathers, beaks and wings that help them to fly, and they have strong muscles and hollow bones which make them fly easily. Just we need a home to live in. Birds also need nests to lay their eggs. Different kinds of birds build different kinds of nests. So जैसे हमें घर की ज़रूरत होती है ना, वैसे ही इन पक्षियों को घर की ज़रूरत होती है और ये अपने घोंसले बनाते हैं अपने अंडे देने के लिए. They are clever builders. They use strong grasses, straw, bits of wool and string to tie the nest to the branches of the trees. The nest must not fall when the wind shakes the tree. अब देखिए जब बहुत तेज हवा चलती है और पेड़ भी झूलता है, राइट, उसकी टहनियाँ भी झूलेंगी, अगर उसके ऊपर से नेस्ट गिरेगा तो इनके एग्स भी टूट जाएंगे. तो वो मेक श्योर करते हैं कि वो श्योरिटी इस बात की रखते हैं कि उससे जब नेस्ट बने तो वो गिर ना जाए, राइट. तो बहुत समझदार होते हैं बच्चों ये. बर्ड्स मेक द नेस्ट स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑन द आउटसाइड बट सॉफ्ट एंड वार्म ऑन द इनसाइड विद मोस. सो बाहर जितना स्ट्रॉन्ग ये बनाते हैं ना, अंदर से उतना ही सॉफ्ट रखते हैं नेस्ट को. किस किस चीज़ों से? मोस से, कॉटन से, ग्रास एंड लीव्स टू कीप द एग्स वार्म अंटिल द बेबीज आर रेडी टू कम आउट. दिस इज कॉल्ड इंक्यूबेशन. जो इंक्यूबेशन, ये जो प्रोसेस है सारा इंक्यूबेशन कहलाता है बच्चों. सम बर्ड्स बिल्ड देयर नेस्ट ऑन द ग्राउंड, सम मेक राउंड नेस्ट ऑफ ग्रास एंड अदर प्लांट्स. Some birds dig holes in the ground and lay their eggs in the holes. Water birds sometimes build nest on the water. These nets are floating rafts made of water plants and they are fastened to the plants growing in lakes and ponds. Birds can make hundreds, even thousands of trips to collect materials. They collect natural objects like twigs, grass, leaves, etc., as well as toffee wrappers, cellophane paper, and even barbed wires to build their nest. To keep nest together and secured in one place, birds use a variety of natural things, including mud, saliva, spider's webs, caterpillar silk, leaf mold, and certain plant fibers. So, बर्ड्स कितने समझदार होते हैं बच्चों, अपना घर बनाने के लिए इतनी सारी चीज़ें यूज़ करते हैं जो हमारे किसी काम की नहीं है, वो लोग उनका यूज़ कर करके अपने घर बनाते हैं. आई एम वेरी वेरी इम्प्रेस्ड विद दैम. आपको भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा होगा ना ये सुन के. The weaver birds make their nest by weaving, knotting and twining grass. You may have seen their nest hanging from the trees. They look like beautiful hanging baskets. कभी देखा है झूलते हुए उस पर जो आपकी शाखा बनी होती है टहनी पर. The woodpeckers make the holes in tree trunks to make their nest. woodpecker का nest देखिएगा वो तने में है, जो स्टेम होती है उसी में होल कर देता है. The sparrow build deep cup-shaped nest with sticks and grass. Pigeons make their nest in hollows of walls. The eagles build their nest on trees with sticks and twigs. The nest of eagle is called eyrie. Male weaver birds build beautiful nest and the female weaver bird chooses the one of that she like best to lay her eggs. A woodpecker taps at the tree trunk 8,000 to 12,000 times per day. My God, कितनी strong beak होती है ना उनकी, है ना, इसलिए कितनी बार उनको अपना होल बनाने के लिए, नेस्ट का होल बनाने के लिए कितनी बार उसमें उसको प्रेस करते होंगे, उसको मारते होंगे ताकि वो होल अच्छे से बन जाए. The tailor birds stitch leaves together to make their nest. The cuckoo is a naughty bird. She lays eggs in other birds' nest. When the baby hatches, it pushes the other birds' babies out of the nest. Okay. The storks build their nest in the grass near water. आप देख रहे हैं सबके nest है ना? Okay. Now the petrels make their nest on the ground inside tall grasses where no one can see it. The quail is a clever but lazy bird. Because the quail does not make its own nest, it lays its eggs in the crow's nest. The crow looks after the eggs and the babies till they hatch and thinking them to be its own. Imperial penguins also do not build nests. The female lays a single egg and leaves for the coast to feed. The male take over caring for the egg, and he balances it on top of his feet and covers it with the special folds of skin on his belly. He stays like that with an egg on his feet for the next 60 days without a meal or much movement until the female returns and the egg hatches. कितना सेक्रीफाइस करते हैं अपने बच्चे के लिए, बिना खाना खाए, कितना फॉर 60 days. Very good. Birds have many enemies, humans and other animals too. Crows and squirrels, cats and rats, all of them wait for a chance to steal the eggs. Many times even break nests to keep oneself safe from danger, to find food, make a nest, hatch the eggs and raise in the chicks safely. All are challenging tasks for every bird. हाँ, सिर्फ हमारे लिए प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है लाइफ में बच्चों, इंसानों के लिए सिर्फ प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम्स पक्षियों के लिए भी बहुत है बच्चों. किस तरह वो केयर करते हैं, इन चैलेंजेस का मुकाबला करते हैं, है ना. चेक पॉइंट नाउ. मैच द फॉलोइंग कॉलम्स. ए और बी कॉलम को मैच करें बच्चों. नाउ इट्स योर टर्न. Let's do the exercises. Tick the correct option by choosing the correct answer. Fill in the blanks with suitable word. And in third, write true for true and F for false. Statement check करिए. Answer the following questions. इन questions के answers को जो आपने read किया है chapter में वहीं से मिलेंगे answers. Learn to do this. Learn to this is where do these animals and birds live? बताइए. Beyond the zone, divide your class into two groups. Members of group 1 make chits and names of different animals and birds on them. Invite a member from group 2 and ask him or her to pick a chit. He or she to help his or her group members to guess which animal or bird he or she has got without saying anything. Explain with the help of gestures and actions. Make sure both teams get a chance to participate. Okay? Skill power. Brainstorming बच्चों. All animals that fly are birds. Is this statement correct? Discuss करिए. Glowing mind. Why should we not be cruel to animals and birds? Are they very important for our environment? Activity. Collect the material that birds generally use to make their nest. Try to arrange them and make a nest. Test your nest by placing it on the low branch of a tree. Okay? And have fun. Enjoy.